In this video, I will show you how our interactive PDF tender documents, or we normally call it ETD, electronic tender documents. First of all, please note that we are using a free version of Adobe Reader. So in other words, our PDF document would not require new software or professional version of the software, just a free version one. And in fact, users do not have to change their hardware, change laptops or PC or whatever, because we are just using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, when we first open the file, the PDF document, you will see on the left screen, side of the screen, the bookmark panel. Okay, and this bookmark panel is meant for us to bookmark pages within the PDF document. For example, let's start with this one. So this is the first page of the tender document, and this is a sample tender document. Okay, this tender document is actually an actual sample we received from our consultant who prepares this tender document. They convert the document directly into PDF and pass to us the blank PDF. Okay, this is the this is the bookmark. Okay, just showing how the bookmark works. We bookmark all the pages, so whenever contractors or users want to go to specific pages, they can just click and it will go to that specific page as per bookmark. Okay, you can see that there is a red bookmark and white bookmark. Red bookmark indicates that there is boxes that the contractor needs to fill. Okay, now, so you can see the difference here. Let's say our form of tender. In the blank copy we received, there is no boxes. So we created these boxes on top of the original document. In other words, we don't do any sorts of modification to the original documents. You can rest assured that document the consultant passed to us will not be modified in any way whatsoever. We only introduce these boxes so that it can be filled in. This is where the tender sum will appear. This is another page in the form of tender where contractor has got to fill in. This is the summary page of the bills of quantities. We created these boxes, and these are the these general conditions and prelims. If you can see here, every item or clause in the prelims, we will create boxes so that contractor can do pricing. So every single page of the document where there is necessity for the contractor to key in, we will create these boxes. Okay, so this is an example of prelim. We just created like 10 pages, where in actual fact it is a lot more pages throughout the documents. Okay, and this is another sample of the BQ page. All right, if you see, this is a BQ page. Okay, page 1, page 2. Every single BQ page will be bookmarked, and every single item in the bills will have these boxes. One is the box for rates and box for amount. So let's see how it works. So, okay, we'll go back to prelims, yeah? Okay, in the prelims, all the contractor have to do is to click in the box and put in the price for each clauses that they things right. And as you can see here, you key in here, that amount appear at the bottom. If you key in the second field, it will total up at the bottom. So this is a PDF document. We create these boxes and we create these total boxes, and it will total up. Okay, we'll go to the next page. In this page, there is only one item that needs to be priced. So we just put 8,500. There's another amount. And here's the total again. Now, back to page 1. This page, all totals from each pages will be carried over to the collection page as it here. So all user has got to do is to click in the total field at the bottom here click, I will carry you to the collection page. Again, if you want to navigate back to the page one, because you probably want to revisit some of the prices and you want to make changes, all you have to do is click in the box and it goes back to where it came from. Say, for example, you want to change this to 10,700, for example. So here it will total up, update the total, and if we click in this box, it will update at the back of the collection page, and then if you total up, it will total up whatever amount appears that came from the prelim pages. I didn't do the rest of the pages because it will work the same. It will total up at the bottom here. Okay, next we go to the BQ page. Let's take this page. Okay, let me enlarge a bit. So here, now, there is quantities, there is rate column and amount column. We don't do any sort of adjustment or modification to the existing document that we receive. As again, I must emphasize again. So all we do is we create boxes for these two. In the prelim, there is no rates column, so it's just an amount column. So contractor just key in the amount. Here, all contractor have to do is put in the rates. Let's make it simple. I put $10 here, and there you go. It will multiply by the quantity, and $5 here. Multiply by quantities, you get the total on the side. And then multiply by probably a simple one like 12 ringgit. Okay, you go on for all the items in the bill, and if you can see here, again, as what you've seen in the prelim page, it will be total up at the bottom for every single page of the bills. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here another page, 1,200 ringgit for this particular item, and then maybe 60 ringgit for this particular item, and then 75 ringgits for this particular item, and we'll go on with the rest of the items. So again, as you can see, it is total up at the bottom, and again, this will be carried over to the collection page. So all you have to do is to click this box, and it will bring you to the collection page of that bill number 2. In this case, in bill number 2. And if you want to do modification, as I mentioned in the prelim just now, you click the box and it will go back to that page, so you can do whatever adjustment you need to make. Please note that contractor or tenders can only key in these blue boxes. The yellow boxes is uneditable because it just fill to total up. All right. Again, here at this collection page, you click this total up button to total up all the total coming from the BQ pages. Okay. Ultimately, as you can see here, total bill carried to general summary on page. In this case, page PS BQS1. Okay, that is the summary page. So all you have to do is click, and it is already in. Transfer that total from that collection page in BQ Bill 2 is already transferred to summary. And if you want to go back to that collection page, you click. Back and forth is very easy. And again, in this prelim, you click, and it goes to the collection page. You click, you'll go to the summary. Okay, and this summary, okay, I don't have examples for these other bills because it just works the same. So whatever amount that appears here will eventually total up. In this case, we have already fixed a provisional sum of 300,000, so it's already there. As you can see, for example, here 300,000 is fixed, so this total here is inclusive of this 300,000. Okay, and eventually the total will be carried over to the form of tender. What you need to do is click this box and it is now appears in the form of tender form, including the wordings for that sum. That's basically how our digital tender documents work. I hope users or viewers can understand, because it's very straightforward. It is a PDF document, but not an ordinary one. This PDF document that we've developed can do calculations, can do total ups automatically from the PQs to the summary page, right up to the form of tender. So if you have any queries, please call us at these numbers, or you can email us. Thank you.